Chapter closed. I hope this finally helps all of us move forward. I won't be entertaining questions regarding this anymore. Thank you for understanding. DJ, you gave me 11 beautiful years, and the kind of love that I will forever cherish. I will always be grateful for you. Sa mundo, buhay, at sa limitadong oras na tayo ay nandito, isang malaking biyaya ang pagmamahal, ang mahalin ka, at mahalin mo. Ang mga alaala natin ay laging kong baon sa aking puso, at magiging liwanag sa madidilim kong araw. Thank you for dancing with me during my highs, and thank you for singing with me during my lows.
Our lives may drift away, but our love will still ride that tide.
Kath Niels, maraming salamat sa pagmamahal ninyo, maraming salamat sa napakagandang pinagsamahan natin, hinding-hindi namin ipagpapalit, at hindi makukumpara kahit ano pang gawin nila, hinding-hindi nila pwedeng sirain yun. This is beyond show business. Pamilya kayo at mga kaibigan, magiging mahirap pero kailangan natin yakapin ang kinabukasan.
I pray for us to grow and heal.
Bal, ang pagmamahal ko sa'yo ay walang hanggan at walang katapusan.